4 science-backed strategies for worrying less. Worrying can sometimes feel like an overwhelming part of life. Humans are hardwired to worry. It's how our ancestors survived. However, if worry is becoming a burden to you in the 21st century, then it's time to explore strategies for removing some of it. Below are 4 strategies for coping with your worry that science supports. 1. Meditate. Specifically, mindfulness meditation has been shown to help lessen worry and the effects of it. In mindfulness meditation, you acknowledge when the mind wanders. Label and accept what your mind wanders to, and then move back to focusing on your breath. This will allow you to reorganize your worry and acknowledge what is causing it, while not dwelling on it. 2. Accept uncertainty. Worrying about the unknown is something that can snowball. It is in your best interest to accept the fact that some things in life will be up in the air. If you cannot accept the unknown, you can learn to reframe it. Instead of wondering if you'll ever meet the love of your life, you can see being single as an opportunity to meet new people and have new experiences. The power of uncertainty resides in how you frame it. 3. Leave perfectionism. Perfectionism can be a major cause of worry for many individuals. The reverse is also true. Worry can also feed perfectionism. Fear of making a mistake, for example, can easily lead to awfulizing, when one negative thought leads to another catastrophic one. For example, you may start out worrying that you might make a mistake at your new job because you've never completed some of the tasks you're required to do. That can quickly become worrying about how humiliating it would be to get fired for incompetence. By the time you're finished, you're stressing out about how you would pay your bills if you lost your job. In reality, you probably will make mistakes in a new job, but your employer anticipates that. Practice giving yourself a break and relaxing. No one's always perfect. Stressing about it will only make it more likely you'll make mistakes. 4. Give worry a name. Externalize your worry by giving it a name. If you identify your fear as Claire, you can then think of your worry as something outside of yourself. For example, Claire is worried about the snowstorm that's expected next week. You can tell Claire that you're prepared for the weather and have the situation under control. This will give you the power to tell Claire why you're done with her and then move away. Finding ways to cope with worry and lessen the burden it has on your life is a constant work in progress, one that will involve trying new strategies and learning more about yourself.